Looking for a simple phone with smart features? Today, I've got a 4G keypad phone that supports WhatsApp, YouTube, and more. Let's unbox it and see if it's worth buying in the USA and UK. Here's the box. Pretty simple and compact. No fancy packaging, but let's check what's inside. All right, opening it up. And here we go, the phone itself. First impression, it looks clean, compact, and easy to use. Thumbs up. In the box, we get a charger, a removable battery, and a basic hands-free. Everything you need for everyday use is included. The design is simple but practical. The keypad feels soft and responsive. It's lightweight and fits perfectly in hand, perfect for users who prefer physical buttons over touchscreens. Let's power it on. Boot time is quick, and the interface is very easy to navigate. Great for beginners or older users.
This is where it gets interesting. This phone supports 4G connectivity. You can use WhatsApp for messaging, watch YouTube videos, and even access Facebook. So it's not just a basic phone, it's a smart feature phone.
It comes with dual SIM support, and you can also expand storage using a memory card. Very useful for media and daily usage. The battery life is impressive. You can easily get 1 to 2 days on a single charge. Performance is smooth for calling, texting, and light apps.
If you're in the USA or UK and looking for a budget-friendly, simple phone, this 4G keypad device is a solid choice, perfect as a secondary phone or for seniors.
If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button. Subscribe for more tech reviews, and I'll see you in the next one.